Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video. Today we have an Audi A8 with a 4.2 V8 coming to the shop with a P0172, P0175, fuel system 2 rich banks 1 and 2. And right away we were kind of scratching our heads and knew what direction to run in because we saw the oil level of this car. There's an oil light that comes on saying there's too much oil in the car to remove oil, over capacity, basically overfilled. And it's common when these high pressure fuel pumps here go bad, they actually start to leak gasoline into the crankcase. And the quickest way to find out if you're having that issue, somebody's been obviously driving this car much longer than they should have with the bad high pressure fuel pumps. You could stick a dipstick tube right here, pull out the dipstick. It's just a cap, but get any old dipstick tube you have, stick it in there just to get some oil on there, and smell the oil, and it reeks of gasoline. We think there's probably at least a quart of gasoline running in through this engine here. From somebody basically probably neglecting the check engine light for a while, and it allowed that much fuel to start to mix in with the crank. So if you're getting both of those codes, it's not something you want to mess around with. It's something you want to try to take care of as quickly as possible. It's a pretty straightforward job. It's just a very easy job. Both these high pressure fuel pumps, when you change one, even if you're only getting one bank, might as well, I know they're not the cheapest, might as well change the other one if you can, or if you're working on a customer's car, you might want to tell them to recommend changing both, because when one's going out, and if these are 10 years old, 8-9 years old, it's about that time you'd want to change them anyway. If one's going out, the other one's probably right behind it. But basically recommend doing an engine flush with a good flush treatment like a liquid moly flush or something like that, and then go ahead and put some fresh oil in here, change both pumps out. But it is something fairly common to see. So if you're getting both of those codes and you got a 4.2 V8, definitely go ahead and stick a dipstick tube into your crank and see what you got going on. Thanks for checking out our video. And if you need any Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche repairs, you could give us a call at 228-438-2056 or check us out at the Auto Connect in Ocean Springs, Mississippi. Thanks for checking out the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.